football isn't just about chasing a ball. It's about feeling your body, mind, and emotions align in a single moment. It's the sound of the impact, reading others' movements, anticipating plays, and reacting without overthinking. On the field, everything becomes immediate. There's no past, no future, just the present moment. According to psychology, this kind of activity activates multiple mental systems at the same time. While the body performs automatic movements, the mind analyzes space, calculates trajectories, makes split-second decisions, and maintains divided attention. This combination often leads to a deep state of focus, similar to a flow state where time seems to slow down or disappear. Football also has a strong emotional and social component. Playing as a team stimulates cooperation, nonverbal communication, and shared emotional regulation. Every pass, shout, or glance creates an invisible network that the brain processes naturally and instantly. That's why, for many people, football isn't just a sport, it's a way to release tension, connect with others.
A co ty, máš to stejně, když hraješ fotbal?